See construction near Plaster and Continental Streets in Reading. That is where Shasta Community Health Center's building a new maternity and pediatric clinic. Action News Now reporter Jordan Henry is live at that new site. Jordan, why did Community Health need that new building?
Kelly, in just a few hours, you can expect to see a lot of large equipment and construction happening right behind me, and the Women's, Children's, and Baby Center will add the extra needed capacity for new and expectant mothers. And if you look at your screen, you can see those excavators hard at work. The center has already knocked down 5 of its buildings to make room for the new center. The new 31,000 square foot building will be 2-story and have a parking structure next to it. Dean Germano is the CEO of Shasta Community Health Center. He says the center usually sees about 800 births on the prenatal side, and the current maternity center that's leased from Mercy Medical isn't big enough.
Especially for all the women and children out here that are population that's going on and stuff, and they need help. There's a lot of kids out there and women that need a lot of help right now.
The facility we're using now is pretty small, and there's a lot more involved in care than there was 30 years ago. We have specialists, we have technology, we have residents and interns, we have interpreters, we have scribes. There's so many people involved now in care of patients, and it's hard to make that all work in an 8x8 room.
Germano tells me the center will include OB, OBGYN, pediatrics, all in the same building. There will also be counselors, interpreters to help mothers and expectant mothers feel more comfortable. And demolition for the new building should be done this week, and the building should be finished in 16 to 18 months. Live in Reading, Jordan Henry, Action News Now. Coverage you can count on.
Great update from moms. Thanks, Jordan. Germano also says starting next week, digging will begin to prepare for the first stages of the building. And stay with us. In our next half hour, you'll hear more from moms about what they think about this new center.